Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake in an air fryer. First, select a cake pan that fits comfortably inside your air fryer basket, ensuring at least 1 inch of space around the sides for proper air circulation. Next, prepare your favorite cake batter, whether from scratch or a convenient mix. Remember to line the bottom of your pan with parchment paper. This simple step makes removing your delicious cake much easier later on. It's all about setting yourself up for success. Now let's get baking. Begin by preheating your air fryer to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 160 degrees Celsius. Once preheated, carefully pour your cake batter into the prepared pan, making sure to fill it no more than 2/3 full to prevent overflow. Place the pan into the air fryer basket and bake for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Keep an eye on it, as cooking times can vary slightly between different air fryer models. Knowing when your cake is perfectly done is key. To check, simply insert a toothpick into the center of the cake. If it comes out clean, your cake is ready. Once baked, let the cake cool in its pan for about 10 minutes. This brief resting period helps it firm up. Then, carefully invert it onto a wire rack to cool completely. This crucial step prevents the bottom from becoming soggy and ensures your cake is perfectly set for frosting. With your cake completely cooled, it's time for the fun part, decorating. Apply your favorite frosting, a light glaze, or even a dusting of powdered sugar. Feel free to get creative with sprinkles, fresh berries, or any other decorations that suit your taste. Your homemade air fryer cake is now ready to be enjoyed. It's a wonderfully simple way to bake a delicious treat, perfect for sharing with loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.